channel. If you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as for being the beauty on the budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss the uploads I be sharing on this channel. You don't want to do that, which brings me to today's video. I'm here to share with you all a wig by Bobbi that I'm giving a try for the very first time. This wig is not new to YouTube. It's just new to me from seeing it all over YouTube, and I wanted to try it out myself. It is the Bobbi Lace First Class here. It is a full synthetic unit, and it's the Pro Color series, part of the MIDI Fresh, Safe, and Clean cap collection. It has 6-inch deep lace parting, high contrast color, premium synthetic here. The style name is MLF632 Gabby, which looks like this right here. And this is what the model looks like on the packaging, and that is the exact same color that I'm gonna try today that the model has on the packaging. So I'm super excited, and I didn't want to bore you all with cutting the lace and everything else. I already did that, but here's the wig right here out of its packaging. This is what it's looking like. And what attracted me to, let me put this over here actually, give me just a second, get her situated. What attracted me to this wig, one was its color, and two, on the packaging it says first class here. Hello, premium synthetic. They got my coins just by that alone. Now the color is TT Aqua Blue. That's TT Aqua Blue, and it also comes in a plethora of different other colors that you would be able to choose from if the blue isn't for you. Like I said, I already cut the lace off the wig. The only thing I did was cut the lace and added my face powder in on this parting space just to brighten it up so it can appear to be more visible. And we're going to add her on. My first time giving her a try. Now this isn't my first time with blue hair. Actually, I've worn this wig before here on this channel. I am a fan of blue hair, loves it. And by the way, if you want to know more information about that wig right there, it will be down in the description box below. I love sharing details in the description box below. Let's take her off and let's get her on. So exciting. Oh, this is the look at that. Had to take this out. These are the silica gels. Whew. This is what the cap is looking like on the inside. Two combs right here on the nape of the neck. It has adjustable straps. Okay, it do have adjustable strap, and it has a comb in the nape of the neck. Okay, and the cap construction is very stretchy. Yeah, very stretchy, and it is a stocking cap quality, so your hair, you know, your scalp will be able to breathe while you're wearing this wig. So we're just going to put her on. Okay. This is the part I love. Like when you first put the wig on, it be looking all crazy, and then you play with it. Yeah, I love this part. Let me turn my mirror around, you know, so I can see what I'm doing as I'm talking to you all. So far, first impression is love its color. Woo, child, I love its color. The color is screaming vibrant, exactly what it says, high contrast color. Absolutely loving that. I do need to secure her down a little bit more, so I'm going to take some bobby pins. I'm back. Got some bobby pins. So I have some bobby pins, and I'm just going to tuck and secure her down so we can get some stability here. This is my old school method of securing a wig. I've been asked quite often why I don't melt the wig down or anything like that. I'm very old school with it, and I'm such the avid wig wearer that honestly I switch my wigs out twice a day, and I don't want to commit to bonding it unless I have some kind of event or something that, you know, I'm attending. Then I would bond it down. But outside of that, I use my trusty old bobby pins just to secure the wig down. And also when it comes to like baby hair and stuff, that's optional for me. I don't always do baby hair. Like I said, it will honestly depend on the venue and whatever else that I may have going for that day. Let me finish finessing her a little bit, and I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. And I'm back. I had to pull myself all the way together for this one right here, because this wig is definitely worth you all adding into your inventory. Once again, it is the Bobbi Boss First Class Pro Color Series Premium Synthetic Lace Front Wig Gabby, which looks like this right here. That's the stock card again. That's the Model Son stock card. And this wig is definitely worth you all looking into. If you are not a fan of this blue color, that's okay, because it comes in a plethora of other colors for you to be able to choose from. The hair doesn't tangle. It's free flowing. This, you know, the wig cap itself, your natural hair underneath it is able to breathe. And speaking of natural hair, when it comes to my lace front wigs, I think I may have mentioned it already in this video. If not, I don't always do the meltdown method or glue them down, because I'm such the avid wig wearer that I need to be flexible without the commitment. I need to be able to put this on and take this off, because there are times when I would change my wig literally 2, at one point even 3 times within a day. I like my wigs to match my mood, my outfit, venue, or whatever I got going on for the day. So no, if it's a venue or something, yeah, then I would do the meltdown method. And when I do that, that's when I will use the Shea Moisture Wig and Weave for bonding glue. All right, and it's infused with aloe vera gel, so this doesn't damage your skin or your edges. So this is worth you looking into too. But on that note, dolls, this have concluded the video. Oh, I added my nails of the day, okay, which is by Kiss Jelly Fantasy, which is these nails right here. These are sold in your local drugstores. I felt that these nails will complement the look that I have going on. But all the information about this wig will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check there for its details. And I can't stress this enough, this is definitely worth you adding into your inventory. So I'm gonna go, oh, you want to see the full thing, right? So this is what it's looking like from the front. Okay, very voluptuous, very full body. Okay, this is her from the side. This is her from the back. That's what it's looking like from the back. It's pretty long too. I want to say it's about 26, 28 inches long right there. The side and the front, and looks like this go along with it too. I don't know, or would that be too much blue? Anyway, let me get out of here. I got another video to film for you all, and if you dolls are an official glam doll to this channel, next video up is the blue bag boutique to match my hair. So let me go get ready for that video, and I will see you in that video very shortly. Later, dolls. And oh, if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload with things like what I just shown you in this video right here. Hit that subscribe button. Seriously, this concludes the video.